Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? In today's video, we're gonna be doing Get Ready With Me, and I will be doing a simple, easy glam for fall look. And if you haven't already subscribed my channel, then go ahead subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. I typically upload my video on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. For primer today, I will be using the Milani Shield Prime. It's mattifying. I tried their bronzer and I really love it, so right now I want to try more of their products. And then Master Camo in Apricot. Tonight we will go hang out with a friend from work and we will be having, they call it potluck. I don't know what that means, but I think it's just gonna be hang out and have dinner and talk. It's gonna be equal amount of German speaking and English speaking. And I make my own food to bring over to share. For foundation today, I will not be using Fenty Beauty because I've been trying the Maybelline Superstay stick and I like it. It's pretty quick. Forget to get my hair out of the way. A lot of people seem to don't like this foundation because they said that it breaks out on the skin, but I think I don't really have like problem wearing like makeup in general. Like it doesn't really matter what I wear and it will just last as long as if I don't touch it. Time for concealer. I will be using my favorite from Clinique, Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. Setting my face with the Lauder Mercier. Actually, I'm gonna be doing a little bit of reverse contour. I'm just trying the new way to set my mouth area so the product doesn't move and showing my mustache. So I'll be using the Wet n Wild contouring palette and I'll just use the fluffy brush here and I'll just really gently tap on where I want to set, and then I will set my entire face with setting spray. And then for my brows, I will be using Cosluxe Brow Style or Cosluxe. I bought this in Thailand, so I don't know if you can find this. Maybe you can find this in Amazon. Oops. It has really slim tips, which I love. This is already nice, but I like to do a little bit more. So I will use NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. I just like to brush my brow a little bit up so it looks more spread out. Priming my eyes with Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Amplifying Primer. So I forgot to hit the record button again. So the palette I'll be using today is from Smashbox, and I have 3 from them in total and I love them so much. It's so small and easy to travel with and it has mirror in it. And the one I'll be using today is Ablaze eye palette, and what's on my eye is transition shade, which is the brick color right here. And then I will just stamp that on my eye. You get the color deposit first, and then just blend that out. Also gonna put that on my bottom lash line. And then moving on to the next shade, I will be using Torch, which is this orange shimmer right here. And I'm just gonna use my finger, and then I'm just gonna press that all over my lid. And then just use the brush where I cannot get with my finger. Now we're gonna deeper the outer V part of the eye, the outer part of the eye, with the shade called Dark Horse. This brown right here. And then I will blend everything out with Relax, which is this shade. I will also put Dark Horse, just the half part of my bottom lash line. And then I will be using Moccasin, which is this gold shade here. Nice. A little bit on the brow bone. I'm not gonna do any liner today. For mascara, I'll be using Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. And for my lower lash line, I'll be using the Maybelline Push Up Angel because it's so tiny. Perfect for my tiny eyes. I'm not gonna wear any lashes today. Moving on to bronzer, I'll be using the Milani Big Bronzer. I'm not gonna do contouring today because I want to keep it soft. Moving on to the blush, I will use Estee Lauder. And for highlighter, I will be using the same palette from this, and the shade is the same with my inner corner, which is called Moccasin. That's so pretty. Time for the Cover Effect Illuminating Setting Spray. And then for the lips, I feel like red, so I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle in Madame. You're gonna be patient when you apply this. One more time of setting spray. And here we have it. This is my finished look. If you like this video, if you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. And also hit the notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.